Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today in our algebraic expressions and operations on them chapter, we are going to see a last topic, that is equation in one variable. Under this topic there is practice set number 36. So the first question is simplify and second one the product of. So just we will see here, simplify 3x minus 11y minus into second bracket 17x plus 13y. So 3x and 17x are the like terms, minus 11y plus 13y. So here students, subtraction, you know the rule, when subtraction is there then we have to change the sign of the terms in the second bracket. Okay, so we will solve this example. Now is equal to, first we will remove the brackets, 3x 11y minus 17x, and here we have to change the sign. We have to remove the brackets and we have to change the sign, plus become minus 13y. Now students, plus here always plus sign, plus 3x and minus, so plus minus minus, so here 17 minus 3, that is 14x, but plus minus minus and we have to give the bigger number. Here bigger number is 17, so we have to give the minus sign. Now here minus 11y and minus 13y, minus minus plus. Okay, so here we will do the addition. 11 plus 13, that is 24y. Okay, but here we have to give the bigger number sign. We have to do the addition, minus minus plus, but we have to give the bigger number sign. Here 13 is bigger number and having minus sign, so we have to give minus sign. Now students, we got the answer, but this answer is not in the given option, so we'll split this. Now here students, if you see this 14, how I have to split this? If minus 2 multiply by 7x minus again 2 multiply by 12y, then what is the answer? 7 multiply by minus 2, 7 2s are minus 14x, and here 2 12 2s are 24, minus sign, so 24y. So here if you see 2 is common, so we'll write the 2 minus 2, and in the bracket this term 7x and plus here plus 12 having sign plus, so 12y. So this option is given, that is option number D. Okay, so this way you have to solve. Now students, the second, here the question is the product of. Here you have to do the multiplication students. Here I am only giving you idea what you have to do. You have to multiply first 23 and minus 15. Okay, 23 multiply by minus 15, then x square. Here multiplication, product means multiplication, so x square and x, here x cube, so 3 and 2 here multiply, so here you have to write what should be there. Here multiplication, as I told you how in the previous practice set and previous video also, how to multiply this. So x raised to what will come here, that you have to decide. Then y raised to 3, and here nothing, so here you have to decide what you have to write. Here z, nothing is here, and here square, so that you have to choose and write. But 100% your answer should be in minus, because here minus sign. Okay, so this way you have to, so here this you have to decide. So you have to solve, write the correct answer, solve, and then don't write directly answer, you have to solve these two examples. Okay, now students, the next question, that is solve the following equation. Okay, so if you see same kind of examples, but I change the numbers and the variables also. So these 6 examples, and plus in your textbook also having 6 examples. These 6 examples you have to write, and after that you have to solve the 6 example from question number 3. Solve the following equation. So now here only one rule you have to keep in mind. Now we'll solve the first one here. 5x plus 10 upon 5 is equal to 35 upon 5. Now students, if you see here, this equal to sign here also. Now while solving this kind of equations, this here, now this number 10 upon 5, when this is going to the equal to side, this side, that is called transposing. This plus 10 upon 5, while solving you will get the idea. When we are shifting to the equal to sign here, the plus become minus. We have to change the sign, and this is called transposing, means equal to the signs we are changing the numbers, that is called transposing. Okay, now how we have to solve this? First see here, we have to solve. Now therefore 5x as it is we have to write 5x is equal to now this 10 upon 5 we have to transposing first, 35 upon 5 we have to write as it is, and this plus 10 upon 5 is transposing here, so plus become minus, so 10 upon 5 minus 10 upon 5. Therefore 5x is equal to, why we are doing this? Because if we not shifted or we not transposed to this side, right hand side, then we didn't get the solution of the equation. That's why we have to transpose this. So now here students, 35 minus 10, denominator same, so one time we can take. Therefore 5x is equal to 35 minus 10, that is 25 upon 5. Therefore 5x. Now students, 25 upon 5 means here we have to divide 25 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 5 upon 1 means 5. Now here we got 5x is equal to 5. So always I told you, in between coefficient and that variable having multiplication sign. So here again we have to transpose, because we have to find the solution of the equation and we have to find the value of the variable. So here we have to find the value of every variable, that is x here. Therefore x is equal to, here see students, this 5 is multiplied. So when first write this 5 and this 5 here, 5 and x having multiplication sign, so when that is transposing here this side, right hand side, so this multiplication become division, so 5 upon 5. These changes you have to keep in mind. Therefore now x is equal to, here 1 upon 1 means 1, so we got the answer, x is equal to 1. This way you have to solve. The same kind of examples are in your practice set. Now we'll see the second one. Second one students, 18 is equal to 5y plus 6. Here 5y, this plus 6 we have to transpose now. Always the numbers having variable that we have to keep aside, and then only the number that didn't have variable, that we have to transpose. Now here we can transpose to the this side, left hand side. Here we transpose right hand side, no problem. We have to solve, we have to find out the now the value of this y. Okay, now here therefore 18 as it is, then 18, this here plus sign, when this transposing to the equal to sign, plus become minus. Multiplication opposite division, division opposite multiplication, addition opposite subtraction, subtraction opposite addition. So plus minus and multiplication division, so is equal to 5y. Okay, so 18 minus 6, that is 12, is equal to 5y. Now we got here, I told you here always multiplication sign. Therefore we have to transpose this. Here multiplication, when this 5 is transposed to the side, this side, then it become division. So divide 5 is equal to y. So here 12 upon 5. 5 this 12 is not divisible by 5. Okay, it is divisible by, but we get the answer in decimal fraction, so no need that. Therefore y is equal to, you can write this way also, 12 upon 5, or this also correct. Okay, so y is equal to 12 upon, if here 15 instead of 12, so 5 3s are 15, y is equal to 3, but this is the now final way because this 12 is not divisible by 5. Okay, now next one is 8a minus 5 is equal to 3. As it is, I told you, therefore first write the coefficient having the variable, that is 8a is equal to 3. Now this minus 5 here, when this transposing, so we have to change this and minus become plus, so plus 5. Therefore 8a is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now here 8a is equal to 8. So I told you here multiplication sign always, so therefore we have to find the value of this variable, that is a is equal to, now this 8 is here, this 8 transposing here having multiplication sign opposite here, when it is transposing here, so 8 become here multiply, here divide. Therefore a is equal to 8 ones are 8, so age value is 1. Okay, now next example, that is 8p minus 5 is equal to 2p plus 7. So here 8p 2p and here minus 5 plus 7. Therefore now here students, like terms we have to take 8p, here this 2 having no sign, means here always plus sign, so when that is transposing to this side, it become minus 2p is equal to this plus 7 as it is, here minus 5 transposing to this equal to sign, then this side, so minus 5 become plus 5. Therefore 8p minus 2p, so 8 minus 2 6, and p, here subtraction sign means one time we have to take the p, so 6p is equal to, and here 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay, now we got 6p is equal to 12. Therefore as I told you, here always multiplication sign, so we have to find the value of this variable p. Therefore p is equal to 12 as it is, this 6 transposing here this side, so it become divided, so p is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so 2 upon 1 means 2, so value of p we got 2. Okay, now the next one students, that is 3 multiplied by k into bracket k minus 2 is equal to 10k plus 8. Now here students 3 and bracket, so always here multiplication sign. Okay, so 3 multiplied by k is equal to 3k, and 3 multiplied by minus 2, so 3 2s are 6, so that become minus 6 is equal to 10k as it is, we have to write plus 8. This is the first step. Now in the second step, 3k and 10k, so now 3k and 10k, so we'll shift now this minus 6, this 8 we are transposing here, so plus 8 become minus 8 is equal to 10k, and this 3k we are transposing this side, so here plus sign, here when transposing the sign change, that is 3k minus 3k. Therefore minus minus plus, okay, 8 plus 6, that is 14, but minus minus plus, but this bigger number is here 8 having minus sign, so you have to give minus sign. Don't forget this. You have to do here according to plus plus plus, minus minus plus, but whatever the bigger number sign, that you have to give. Here bigger number having minus sign, so you have to give minus sign. is equal to now 10k minus 3k. Okay, 10k minus 3k, that is 7k. Therefore now we have to find the value of this variable k. Therefore we'll shift this k, or you can write minus 14 here, multiply sign, so the 7 transposing this side, so it became divided, so 4 minus 14 divided by 7 is equal to k. Therefore 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, so minus 2 is equal to k. Therefore you can write like this way also, k is equal to minus 2. Okay, now this last one, 7a plus 3, 7 into bracket a plus 3 is equal to 41. Now here bracket means, as I told you, here to multiply each term in the bracket. So we'll solve this downside here. So now 7 multiplied by a, therefore it is equal to 7a, and plus sign 7 3s are 21 is equal to 41. Now 7a as it is we have to keep here, and this plus 21 transposing here, first write 41 and this plus become minus here, so 21. Therefore 7 is equal to 41 minus 21 is equal to 20. Now as I told you, here in between variable and coefficient there is only multiplication sign. Therefore we have to find the value of this variable. So a is equal to 20 and this 7 we have to transpose here, this is divided by, so 20 divided by 7. Now 7 cannot exactly divide, means can get the decimal form also, means answer you also get in decimal form, but this is our final answer. Okay, if here 21, then 7 3s are 21, a is equal to 3, but here 20, this way you have to keep the answer like this. Okay, now students, we will solve the word problems. So students, there are 4 word problems. We will solve all the 4 word problems. Now the first one is Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Now here Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. So we didn't know the age of Rakesh and Sania. So first what we have to do, we'll write let, because they are asking Rakesh age is less than Sania, so let the age of Rakesh be X year. Then now according to the given condition, that is Sania's age, Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. Therefore now Sania's age is equal to Rakesh age is less than Sania's age, so X plus 5 years. Sania's age is X plus 5 years. Then this one, according to the condition, will build the this one equation or the expression. Rakesh age is X plus 5. This is Rakesh age and this is Sania's age, and they said the sum of their ages means Sania's age and Rakesh age, sum means addition, is equal to 27. Now we got this equation, we have to solve the equation now. So X plus here into bracket X plus 5. So X plus X means here, therefore X plus X means 2x, always here 1 is there, so 2x plus 5 is equal to 27. Now we know how to solve this. Therefore 2x will be here, 27, this 5 transposing this side, this become minus. Therefore 2x is equal to 27 minus 5, that is 22. Therefore now here multiplication sign, so x is equal to this 22, this 2 when transposing it should be divided, so 22 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to here 11. Okay, 11 to the 22 is equal to 11. Now x, let the age of Rakesh be x. So now we got Rakesh age, that is 11 years. Now Sania age is plus 5. Okay, so therefore Sania's age is equal to x plus 5 as we consider here. So we'll put the value of this x here. So x value is 11 plus 5, that is 16 years. So now we have to write Rakesh age is equal to 11 years and therefore Sania age is equal to 16 years. Okay, so students, this way you have to solve. You can take the screenshot and you can write the example. Okay, now the next example, that is, when planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? Now when planting the forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater. We didn't know the number of jambul trees, but that is greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. Okay, so jambul tree is greater than ashoka tree by 60. So if we consider the jambul tree x, the number of ashoka tree is actually that is less than jambul trees. Okay, so x minus 16. So let's see here. Now first we'll write, let the number of jambul tree, I know you will like the jambuls, me too, trees planted be x. Okay, now that is ashoka trees, the jambul trees is more greater than ashoka trees, means actually the ashoka trees is less than jambul trees. So number of ashoka tree is equal to x minus 60. Jambul tree is greater means we can write in another way, x that is less than ashoka tree. So x minus 60 is ashoka tree. Now students, according to the given data or information, x plus x minus 60 and the all together means jambul trees and ashoka trees together they gave 200 number of trees. So we got this equation. Now x plus x, that is therefore 2x minus 60 is equal to 200. Now students, same way you have to solve. Now you will get the, when you are solving this, you will get the value of x. So x is a jambul tree. Okay, and then whatever you got the jambul trees, they ask the question jambul trees, so no need to find out. So x, you will get the x value, that is the jambul trees value. Okay, now students, the 6 and 7 example we will solve. In the sixth example is Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees notes as she has 50 rupees notes. She has 50 rupees note, but she have 20 rupees twice notes. Okay, double. Altogether she has 2700 rupees. How many 50 rupees notes does she have? Okay, so now students, here first we have to find this one 50 rupees note. So here we will write, therefore let Shubhangi has X notes of 50 rupees. Okay, write the symbol rupees. Therefore, then they said she have twice of 20 rupees note. So Shubhangi, or she has twice means double time. So we will take 2x notes of 20 rupees. Twice means double, means 2 times, so 2x. So she has total amount is equal to rupees 2700. Now we'll build the equation. Therefore 50, here 50x means 50 rupees notes, so 50x plus 2x notes of 20 rupees, so 2x of 20 rupees. So here we have to multiply. She have 2x double notes of 20 rupees, so we have to multiply here, then 2700. Therefore 50x plus 22s are 40x is equal to 2700. Therefore 50x plus 40x, that is 90x, is equal to 2700. Therefore now here we'll transposing this 90, so x is equal to 2700. When transposing, multiplication become division, so 90. Therefore if you divide 90 or 9, okay, is equal to 30. So we got x is equal to 30. So now we got, therefore we'll write in full sentence, Shubhangi has 30 notes of rupees 50 each. Okay, now you can take screenshot and you can write this way. Now students, the next example, that is Virat Kohli's example. Okay, now in the Virat Kohli, not Kohli, Virat, but Virat Kohli is our nation's proud, so Virat Kohli. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit Sharma. The total of their scores is 2 less than a double century. Two less than double century. Double century means 200, and 2 less than means 100. 200 minus 2, that is 198. How many runs did each of them make? So we have to find both run. Okay, so first we'll write the runs made by Rohit. Runs made by Rohit is equal to x, because both we don't know, and according to the given data, the Virat made twice as many Rohit. So twice of Rohit means 2x. Runs made by Virat is equal to this. Twice means double. Okay. According to given data, x plus 2x is equal to double century means 200, and they said total of their score 2 less than double century. 2 less than means less means minus 2. This way you have to write. Don't write directly 198. Okay. Now, therefore, x plus 2x means here always 1. So it become 3x is equal to 198. 200 minus 2, 198. Therefore, x is equal to 198. This 3 is transposing here. Multiplication become division. So 3. Therefore, if you divide 198 by 3, then you will get 66. 3 6 18. Okay. So 66. Now 66 whose run? X value means Rohit. So Rohit, therefore Rohit score is equal to 66 runs. Now Virat is double that. Therefore Virat score is equal to 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 66. Double than Rohit, twice than Rohit means that is 66 multiplied by 2. 2 6 12, that is 132. Okay. This was the answer. Now students, our chapter is over. Okay. So in the next video, you will get first complete this, and as I told you that I will I will send the answer key, but the answers are already given I think in your backside of your book. So solve all the examples. If you have any doubt, then write that example, try to solve this at least 1 or 2 steps, and then send me on my WhatsApp number. Whatever your problem, I will try to solve that. Okay. So our chapter over. Complete the all practice set, all the examples, and then I will send the notes of next chapter. So you have to write the notes of the next chapter, that is direct proportion and inverse proportion. And then whenever we start the practice set of that, the direct proportion, inverse proportion, that you have to solve. But first complete your notebook. The previous chapters, all the practice sets, all the examples you have to solve. Okay students, so take care.